Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to Settings. Here we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Then this list you will enter to the app of Google Drive. After that we click on First Stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to Storage. Then we click Clear Cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors in your app. And in the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.